Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss the international monetary system to the point which will be very helpful to your competitive examination and furthermore. So, what is the objective of the international monetary system? It's to maximize the flow of foreign trade and foreign investment. And the other goal was lead to an equitable distribution of the gain from trade among the nation of the world. It simply means the world which have various nations, they make trade between each other, and the gain which will attain from these things should be distributed equally. This should be an ideal objective of an international monetary system. So regarding this, after Second World War, there was various countries who have met at a place like named Bretton Woods in USA, where they have decided to generate a new monetary system, and this thing have created two main international institutions that they are called as International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. They are basically called the Bretton Woods Twins, and they are situated with the headquarter at Washington D.C., USA. First of all, the International Monetary Fund. It comes in the effect 1945 with the major functions are facilitate international monetary cooperation, that is special drawing rights, which creates a quota in various member nations through which they can access money, they can contribute their money, and they can adjust their balance of payment situation further on. Second one was the promote exchange rate stability and orderly exchange arrangements. Third one was assist in establishment of a multilateral system of payment and elimination of foreign exchange restrictions. Like IMF create a basket of currencies through which some standard sets, and according to that standard money can be exchanged between the nations, and this create a balance in foreign exchange. The fourth one was the it assists member countries to adjust their balance of payment situation. As far as many countries face such situations of balance payments, they borrow something from other country, they import something from other country, they export something to other countries, and this import and export uh, ex- uh, makes a effect in their financial situation, in their reserves, and this reserves situation are when this reserve situation creates a very big balance of payment situation, and this balance of payment situations are assisted by International Monetary Fund. Now, the in International Monetary Fund, every member has a quota which reviews in every 5 years. The members of this institution need to sign a extended fund facility with IMF, and after which they can borrow from it, as India have done in 1991 balance of payment situation. IMF sits as an observer in World Bank meetings. This question is asked in various examination whether IMF sits as an observer or not. So simply IMF sits as an observer in the World Bank meeting. So thank you, friends. In our next video, we will continue with World Bank Group. Thank you for watching this video.